Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever considered cooking snake meat? It's definitely a unique protein, offering an unforgettable culinary experience. Before you start, always make sure your snake is legally and ethically sourced, prioritizing safety above all else. With the right steps, you can prepare a truly remarkable dish, ready for an exciting culinary journey. First, you'll need a good quality snake. Look for reputable suppliers or ensure any wild-caught snake is from a safe, legal area. Once you have it, cleaning is key. Remove all internal organs and wash the cavity thoroughly. Then, carefully skin the snake and cut the meat into your desired cooking portions, like 4 or 5-inch pieces, ready for the next step in your cooking adventure. Now onto the fun part, cooking. Pan frying is a fantastic option, giving the snake a lovely crispy crust. For a smoky flavor, grilling works wonderfully, especially with thicker pieces. And if you prefer something incredibly tender, simmering the snake in a savory stew or a rich curry can create an amazing meal, softening the meat beautifully for a delightful experience. What does snake meat taste like? Many describe it as a unique blend, somewhat similar to chicken or even a firm white fish with a very subtle gamey note. It's quite versatile, readily absorbing flavors, so don't be shy with your seasonings. Consider bold herbs like rosemary or thyme, a squeeze of fresh lemon, or even a dash of chili to truly bring out its best qualities, creating a memorable dish. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your culinary creation. Pair your cooked snake with side dishes that complement its flavor, like fluffy rice, roasted root vegetables, or a fresh green salad. A little garnish, perhaps some fresh parsley or a lemon wedge, can really elevate the presentation. So, gather your friends and family and enjoy this incredibly unique and adventurous dining experience you've prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.